For this problem, we want to solve how to create a 0.1 molar solution that is only 150 milliliters both from solid NaCl and from a stock solution. Let's start with the solid first. In order to figure out how many grams of the sodium chloride we need to figure out how many moles we need. Now, we know we have a desired volume of 150 milliliters, which is about 0.15 liters. So we're going to take our final volume, multiply it by the molarity, which is 0.10 moles of NaCl over 1 liter of solution. And that gives us 0.015 moles.